Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today as we learn a new sound. Are you ready to get even smarter? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the sound. Now the sound is a digraph or special friends because two letter O's together make the sound. Now when we have two O's together, sometimes they make the sound and sometimes they make the sound. Ooh, ooh, But today we're going to be focusing on the sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Well done. Now let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the sound. Let's have a look. Oh, I found some wood. Can you hear the sound in the middle of wood? Wood. Wood. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a book. Can you hear the sound in the middle of book? Book. Book. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. Oh, I found a hook. Can you see that? A hook. Can you hear the sound in hook? Hook. Hook. Amazing. So, hook, book and wood all use the sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write two letter O's. So we start at the top and we go all the way around, start at the top, all the way around. Now I want you joining in, so let's give your magic fingers a big stretch, let's give your shoulders a big roll, let's use your hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? Magic finger, start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, all the way around. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around. Start at the top, all the way around. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is foot. My turn first. Foot. Your turn. Foot. My turn again. Foot. Your turn. Foot. Well done. Our next word today is look. My turn first. Look. Your turn. Look. My turn again. Look. Your turn. Look. Excellent. And our last word for today is book. My turn first. Book. Your turn. Book. My turn again. Book. Your turn. Book. Amazing. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the sound. Well done on working so hard today. You should be feeling really proud. And hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye!